Engine maintenance. Engine maintenance is a critical aspect of keeping vehicles running efficiently and reliably. Proper maintenance tasks, such as oil changes and cooling system checks, help prevent engine wear and extend the life of the vehicle. This lesson will guide you through essential engine maintenance tasks, including engine oil and filter changes, and cooling system checks and repairs. By mastering these fundamental skills, you will be well prepared for the ASE certification test and equipped to maintain and service engines in the real world. Engine oil and filter change. An engine oil and filter change is one of the most common and important maintenance tasks in any vehicle. This procedure helps to keep the engine lubricated, reducing friction and wear, and ensures that contaminants are removed from the engine. Why is engine oil important? Lubrication. Oil helps to lubricate the moving parts of the engine, preventing friction and wear. Cleaning. Oil helps to clean the engine by carrying away dirt, debris, and contaminants. Cooling. Oil also helps to dissipate heat from the engine, keeping temperatures within safe operating limits. Sealing. Oil helps seal the gaps between engine parts, such as the piston rings, improving compression and performance. Steps for performing an oil and filter change. Step 1. Prepare the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is off. Raise the vehicle if needed using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Tip: make sure the engine is slightly warm, not hot, to help drain the oil more effectively. Step 2. Drain the old oil. Place an oil drain pan under the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, loosen the oil drain plug and allow the oil to fully drain into the pan. Tip: allow sufficient time for all the oil to drain to avoid mixing old oil with fresh oil. Step 3. Remove and replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be sure to have a rag or towel ready to catch any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, lightly lubricate the rubber gasket on the new filter with some fresh oil. This ensures a proper seal. Screw the new filter in place, tightening it according to the manufacturer's specifications. Step 4. Replace the drain plug. Once all the oil has drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the threads. Step 5. Add new oil. Use the manufacturer's recommended oil type and quantity. Remove the oil filler cap and pour in the new oil, checking the oil level with a dipstick. Tip: add the recommended amount of oil, then check the level and top off as necessary. Step 6. Check for leaks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any oil leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Tip: ensure the oil pressure light goes off and the oil level is correct. Step 7. Dispose of the old oil and filter. Take the used oil and filter to a local recycling center. Never dispose of engine oil in the trash or down a drain. Here are common mistakes to avoid: using the wrong type or amount of oil, overfilling the oil, forgetting to lubricate the oil filter gasket, neglecting to dispose of old oil properly. Cooling system checks and repairs. The cooling system plays a vital role in maintaining the engine's temperature by dissipating excess heat. If the cooling system malfunctions, it can lead to overheating, engine damage, or even complete engine failure. Regular checks and maintenance are essential for preventing such issues. Cooling system components. Radiator. The radiator cools the engine coolant by allowing air to pass through it. The coolant absorbs heat from the engine and releases it through the radiator. Water pump. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine, ensuring it stays at the proper temperature. Thermostat. The thermostat regulates the temperature of the coolant, opening and closing to maintain the engine at an optimal operating temperature. Radiator hoses. These hoses carry coolant between the radiator, engine, and thermostat. Coolant/antifreeze. The coolant absorbs heat and helps prevent the engine from freezing in cold temperatures. Steps for performing cooling system checks and repairs. Check coolant levels. Before checking the coolant level, ensure the engine is cool. Locate the radiator reservoir and check the coolant level. If it's low, top it off with the appropriate type of coolant. Tip: always use the manufacturer's recommended coolant to avoid damage to the cooling system. Inspect radiator and hoses. Inspect the radiator for any visible damage, leaks, or blockages. Check the radiator fins to ensure they are not clogged with debris. Inspect all coolant hoses for cracks, bulges, or leaks. If any hoses appear damaged, they should be replaced immediately. Tip: check the hoses when the engine is cold to avoid burns from hot coolant. Check the water pump. Inspect the water pump for any signs of leakage around the pump shaft or housing. A leaking water pump should be replaced. Listen for unusual noises while the engine is running, as a failing water pump may produce a whining or grinding noise. Tip: if the water pump is leaking, it may require a full replacement as it cannot be repaired. Test the thermostat. The thermostat controls the engine temperature by regulating the coolant flow. A malfunctioning thermostat may cause the engine to overheat or run too cold. To test the thermostat, remove it from the engine and place it in hot water. It should open at the manufacturer's specified temperature. Tip: if the thermostat is not functioning correctly, replace it. Flush the radiator. Over time, the cooling system can accumulate rust, scale, and other debris that can clog the radiator and affect performance. A radiator flush can help remove these contaminants. To flush the system, drain the coolant and run water through the radiator until it runs clear. Tip: after flushing, replace the coolant with the recommended mixture of coolant and water. Check for leaks. Inspect all connections, hoses, and components for coolant leaks. If any leaks are found, replace the faulty parts. Tip: a pressure test can be used to identify hidden leaks in the cooling system. Here are the common cooling system issues. Overheating, caused by low coolant levels, a faulty thermostat, or a failing water pump. Leaking coolant, often caused by cracked hoses, a broken radiator, or a failing water pump. And poor heater performance, can be due to a low coolant level or a clogged heater core. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we've covered essential engine maintenance tasks, including how to perform an oil change and inspect and maintain the cooling system. These maintenance procedures are vital to keeping the engine running efficiently and preventing costly repairs. By mastering these skills, you'll be well prepared for the ASE certification test and gain valuable hands-on experience for the automotive service industry.